This is the Lumary Smart Bird Feeder Cam Pro. This is everything that comes in the box. It has a solar panel to charge the battery, the main unit, a 1080p camera, several different ways to mount this. You can strap it to a pole, you can put it on a tripod, you can mount it to a fence or to the side of your house. The Pro Kit comes with some hummingbird liquid holders, a perch on the front, a water tray, and this also comes with like these little pickle forks which you can put fruit on there to attract different birds, different types of birds to your feeder. And it's also works through your Wi-Fi, so you can get all this on your phone, you can save the files, you can email them, share them with other people, post them on YouTube, and that sort of thing. We'll put it together, charge it up, and see what it'll do. The first step in the instructions is to charge the camera. So on the back, you've got a port here, a charge port. It's a USB-C and it comes with a cord. No adapter to plug into your wall, although you could if you have an adapter, but I just plugged it into the side of my PC and charged up the camera. A little indicator light here will be yellow when you first start to charge it, and it turns green once it's completed. They recommend that you do that the first time before you use it, and then in my case it's going to be maintained with the solar panel, and it plugs into the same location. So let's see if we can get this put together. First thing I want to do, this is the perch. I'm going to use these hummingbird feeders, and these just push into the holes that are in the perch here. So that fits on the front, and then you use this little screw to hold that in place. It honestly doesn't get much easier than that. And then snaps shut. So got to lift up on that to move that forward, and you can dump the bird seed right down into the top. And it's clear around the camera so you can see how much bird seed is in there if you need to add more. So once you mount the mount to a fence or a wall or a house or whatever, the bird feeder just slides in and this clips into place, and then you can rotate the feeder to whatever direction you'd like it to be. So let me finish putting this together. We'll get some liquid together, and then we'll take it out in the back and set it up and see if we can get some footage with it. All right, good. That'll at least work for now to try it, and then I can see it right out my back window as well, so I can actually physically see the feeder. Cool.